Hello friends, today we're going to do a rinseless. A few days ago this pickup looked like it was a rust color thanks to all the salt on it. But yesterday we got quite a bit of rain, so it's washed a lot of it off, but we still need to get it cleaned up. So that's what we're going to do today. Now let me first show you the condition of the pickup. It's just an old pickup, but it still looks really good. I mean, it's still got a little bit of gloss to it and everything. Welcome to my shop, where it is so noisy. This intersection is something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick rinseless wash on it. Try and do something with these wheels. Never mind the weird spot in the middle of the door.
Filling a hole. Above the door.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty rough. We need to do something about your headlights. Get a good ceramic coat on them after you get them cleared up. Alrighty, so I'm only with her for a few minutes before I have to go with my dad to pick up a vehicle from the mechanic. But what we're doing is just kind of going over everything, make sure she remembers how to do it. I try to at least instill in her, you know, be careful with the vehicles you're working on. This is her pickup, so to her, scratching it up or whatever, minor scratches is no big deal to her. Anyway, we just want to get the salt off of it. The wheels are going to be a little bit of a challenge because they have been in storage. You know, Scott works at a scrapyard, and they pulled them out for winter tires. So we're not sure those are going to come clean, but we're going to do our best with them anyway. But anyway, I'm just going to let her take over, and then I'll be back in a little bit. Hey, Carlos.
Rinseless gang.
Get it wet.
Rinseless gang.
All right, I'll be right back.
I'm feeling high. 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 I'm feeling high.
I sent him the picture. He goes, from Kennedy.
He hates Rinseless. Okay, is the bucket empty?
Yeah.
Okay, just bring it back here and put the brushes in it.
I'm feeling I'm feeling
Quick.
high.